Have you worn very heavy earrings and don't like your earlobes now? Well, filler can help. We can perk those earlobes right back up and get you back into those, well, don't wear heavy earrings anymore, but into lighter earrings and not feel self-conscious about your earlobes. So I'm going to show you how filler for your earlobes goes. And so filler is just made of hyaluronic acid, which is what we have in our skin anyways. It gives us some bounce, it gives us hydration, it gives us youthfulness, and we have a very mean enzyme that will eat up our own natural hyaluronic acid. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Can't feel it?
Thing.
Okay, great.
Didn't feel a thing.
Excellent. Yeah, it really doesn't take much, does it? But it's very soft, so it's not, but soft but sturdy. We like soft and sturdy. Let's go the opposite direction. I'm going to come over to the other side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, hi. No pain?
Nope.
Okay, perfect. That looks great. All right.
So
Okay, turn your head away from me. All right, so here we go with earlobe number 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it looks great. Look at how it's instant, right? Which is great. Turn a little away from me again. We're gonna come here, go up. You're doing amazing. Just a little extra support there. Approach it from many different directions. Make sure we get it nice and juicy. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, you doing okay? Don't wear any earrings for a couple days, and then obviously no heavy earrings for a good week or so. And really, there's nothing really else to do with these. We'll just keep them. Let's keep them plump. So if you want to find out if earlobe filler is right for you, or about any of our over 65 procedures at Rejuvenation MD, you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and at our website, RejuvenationMDmedspa.com.